Alright guys, so we're gonna make my go-to shakshuka recipe, and what makes it super quick and super easy to put together is this mina harissa paste. We got some garlic, onion, some fire roasted diced tomatoes, and eggs. As simple as that. We got our beautiful hex clad heating up. So we're gonna heat that up, get some oil going. We're gonna saute our onion. Get a good amount of oil in there, and let's cut our onions. I got this beautiful hex-clad cutting board for all my scrap. Super convenient, helps you work clean, neat, and clean as you go. So this is my go-to cutting board nowadays. While your pan is heating, you can get all your mise en place ready to go. Go ahead and small dice this onion. So we got our onions diced. Our pan is heated. Go ahead and add our onion. Okay, in there as well. Add a little salt to get it nice and fine. The garlic in there, cutting board. That's sauteing. Go ahead, open our tomato. We're gonna wait for these onions to caramelize just a little bit. We want a little bit of color, a little bit more than translucent. Tomatoes are ready. Let's open our, man, this stuff is amazing. Straight out of the can. Taste test. It's the real deal. And honestly, it's only red peppers, red chili, olive oil, vinegar, and salt. But the peppers they use in this specific type of pepper, or I don't know, they're doing some magic to this, because this gives me that right Israeli taste I'm looking for. The shakshuka, so a little bit longer, but I'm gonna add my tomatoes here. We're gonna add just a little bit of this, give us that red pepper taste. It's gonna feed around 4 people, so it's a pretty hefty portion. Get everything going. We're gonna let this stew for 15 to 20 minutes. All the flavors kind of combine. And before we do that, we're gonna season it. Medium heat. Everything already smells delicious in the kitchen. I'm gonna put that. We're gonna clean up for 20 minutes on this, all right? So at this stage, we're looking nice and stewed. Everything has come together, and we're ready to poach our eggs now. I'm gonna do 4 eggs here. You could go more or less. I like to be extra saucy with my egg. Here's a little trick. You put your egg where you're gonna place it. Just kind of move all the fun stuff around. So that's our pre-placement. Turn this down to low, and then go ahead and break your egg. Oh man, get some nice warm pitas to dip this in. Looking amazing. So now we gotta season the eggs real quick. Secret thing I like to add, I got it in my fridge, so I might as well add it. A little bit of feta. I'm just gonna cube it up nice and small as a nice, beautiful garnish. And we could add that in now, so it gets nice and melty. We don't gotta mix it in though. This is gonna give it a nice little pop of brightness, some salinity. Ultimate shakshuka right here. 5 minutes and you're good to go, or until the eggs are nicely poached. Ready, plate's ready. Let's cut up some fresh parsley, all we need. Here, do a nice little thin chiffonade. A beautifully sharp hex-clad knives. Go in the little chute. Look at that. Look at this beautiful shakshuka. And you can see the yolk still wiggly. That's what you're looking for in a shakshuka. Nice runny yolks, beautifully saucy, tomatoes, peppers, garlic, and I add a little feta and parsley to finesse my shakshuka right here. You guys have to try this. This is the best go-to breakfast you will ever have. So quick to throw together and so amazing. Let's go.